Today we are going to deal a subject environmental studies standard for family values presented by Savita Jagtap, Dream Teacher Mumbai. Family values. The first topic which we are going to deal is role in decision making. We live together in a family. Every person's likes and dislikes are different. Thoughts and opinion can also differ. We ourselves are different from others. Even so, our thoughts and opinions can match those of others on various topics. So we have love and affection for each other. We take care of each other and are concerned about other people's well-being. So we talk to each other before making decision about anything in the house. So what happens when everyone role in decision making? This is the question. Why we should share our thoughts in a family or on any topic? So first one is each person will get the opportunity to say what they think. Second one is by asking everyone's opinions, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspect because everyone has their own opinion and the opinion will discuss, so the final result will be better for everyone. We feel like a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. Each and every person in our family will feel that we are having importance. I am having importance in everyone's lives. So just as in a school we always use a good thought that honesty is the best policy. Remember it. So effects of honest and dishonest behavior. We do many different things every day. Sometimes we make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk about it openly with our friends, with our family. By doing this, what happens? We learn to be honest and find a way to correct out mistakes. It is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work too. We must try hard to keep the trust in any relationship and never cheat. The best thing is that honest is we do not have to be afraid. But if we are dishonest, we lose our self-confidence. We must be honest at home as well as in public. Everyone respects an honest person. Honesty is our strength. Now how we can honest in a public life? If we are honest in our public life, we will get better public services and facilities. What happens if we travel on a train or bus without a ticket? Our public transport system will run at a loss and would soon have to be shut down. So if each person buys a ticket honestly, this problem will not arise. So honesty can increase efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way in increase discipline and efficiency in public life. The next value is advantages of cooperation. In a family, we cooperate with each other similarly in team sport. In a family, we cooperate with each other similarly in team sport. The more the players cooperate with one another, the better is their game. That we know. Instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to sports, we should bring it into public life as well. Everyone needs a cooperation in public life. We too need the help of others. Fairs, rallies, and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with one another. So cooperation is also necessary in our values. Now the next value is tolerance. So we are having two different aspects of tolerance. Of course, we should not tolerate if any injustice happen with us. But we all have some faults. We can improve on these faults with the help of our family and friends. We may not agree with each other every time. Sometimes there are disagreements even between friends. At such times, we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. On such occasions, listen to other person. In this way, we learn to be tolerant. So tolerant has a special significance in our country. People from various religions, creeds, cultures and following different customs live here. That is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant or broad-minded. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. So diversity enriches social life. It encourages us to think about others with concern. So we can solve problems in our environment by being broad-minded. Next, an important value is gender equality. Nowadays, it is more and more important. Boys and girls or men and women are equal. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Boys and girls must respect one another. In the company of our friends, we consider all of them to be our equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as a citizen when we grow up. By developing this sense of equality, everyone will learn and make progress. Food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of men and women. So this should be get everyone without any discrimination. So students, what we have learned? Everyone in the family must have say in decision making. We must be honest in our private as well as in public. Tolerance and cooperation make our community life harmonious and peaceful. A tolerant attitude makes it easy to preserve diversity, and men and women are equal. It is not right to discriminate between them. Thank you.